Today I am going to show you all basic settings in Facebook account. To do this, first of all, go to your main Facebook account. Then click the right corner menu button from your account menu. Here you can see that 4 options: past, settings and privacy, help and support. From the settings and privacy, you can set up the settings, you can post privacy and privacy to factor authentication. From this bar, help and support, you can send a feedback as well as give feedback. From these two menu, display and accessibility, you can set dark mode on or off from this bar, on or off, compact mode on or off. To the previous links and keeping it as well same. To back, then we're going to see that in a logout menu. You can log out from this bar. First of all, you can see that 5 menu: settings, privacy, backup, privacy, center, activity log and feed, and the language. You can settings from these 3 bars. Activity log, you can clear your activity history. On this tab, you can feed these tabs as well as same. Language settings, you can change language from this bar. You can change your edit language. The language setting, you can change your language as well as your mother tongue. Then we are going to privacy settings option. From the past bar, you can change your name and username. From this main menu, then secondly privacy step. From this tab, you can change privacy shortcuts, your activity, how people can find and contact you, how you get message request. First of all, privacy shortcuts, check a few memory for settings. You can see who can see what you share, how to keep your account, how people can find you on Facebook, your data settings, your ad preference. We will set it from the other option. Your activity, who can see your future post. I am keeping it custom. If you want to change it, click edit. Then you can change it public, friends exceptional, only me. I am keeping it custom. I'm keeping it public. Review all your posts and things you are tagged in. Use activity log. You can change your all activity before you have got done. Then you can review all posts you tagged in. Who can see the people, pages and list you follow, only me. You can change it public, friends or only me. I'm keeping it only me. Then how people find you, who can send you a message request, everyone. I'm keeping everyone. If you want to change it, then hit edit, then add friends of friends. I'm keeping everyone. Who can see your friend list, I'm keeping only me. If you want to change, then change it from this bar. Who can look up your using email address you provided, I'm keeping only me. If you want to change it, you can change it from this bar. Then who can look up your using phone number you provided. If you want to change, hit edit, only me, public, everyone. I am keeping it only me. Then potential count is not friends or friend message request. You can send you message request. Other people's I am keeping message request and message request. Keep it. Access profile information. View your profile information by category. You can access your profile information from this. Then you can transfer your copy of information, download your profile information. Then activity log, view and manage your profile activity. Your comments, stories, you can control it. Then it is very important that deactivation and deletion. You can delete your Facebook account temporarily or deactivate your account from this bar. If you want to know more information, click view option. Then you will find this how to deactivate your account or delete your account. My others video already has. If you want to see that, you can deactivate your account or delete your account. Then profile and tagging. Who can post on your profile? I'm giving fans. You can choose it. Only me also. You can see what other post on your profile. I'm giving fans. Hide comments containing certain words. I'm keeping it. Allow others to share your post to their story. I'm giving allow. Who can see the post you have tagged in your profile. I'm keeping it friends or friends. If you want to change everyone, you can change it from this tab. Reviewing post that you tagging before the appears your profile. I'm keeping it deselected. Public post. Who can follow me friends. If you want to select public, you can select public. Public post comment. I'm keeping it public. Public post notification. I am also keeping it public. Then public contract info, file info, profile info. I'm keeping it friends only. Opaque reviews, comment ranking. Turn on to ranked up your comment. Username, edit username. If you want to give a username, unique username, hit this edit menu and give a unique username. I'm not going to use this at this moment. And then blocking. You can restrict a list, block message, blogger users. You can add or block someone by block list. Then type your name, his or her name. Then similarly restricted list, block message, you can add this. Then stories, sharing option allows to share public stories to their own story. I'm going to select it. If you want to deselect it, you can. Then reels option. Who can see this public? I'm keeping it public. Besides, you can see the two option, friends and friend exceptional. Reaction preference on for others is not needed. I'm keeping it as well same. So that's all are the basics in Facebook account or privacy settings. Like this video, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching.